The Renogy 200W solar panel kit is an excellent choice for those new to solar power, offering a comprehensive setup with two 100-watt monocrystalline panels and a 30 Ampere PWM charge controller. This kit is perfect for off-grid applications such as RVs, boats, and cabins, providing quiet power production and independence from the grid. With an average electricity production of 1,000 watt-hours per day and a cell efficiency of 22%, this kit ensures efficient performance even in low-light conditions. The included Wanderer PWM charge controller is compatible with various battery types and features advanced 4-stage charging to safely and efficiently charge your battery. Built-in protections such as reverse polarity, battery overcharging, overload, and short-circuit safeguards ensure the longevity and safety of your solar setup. The Renogy kit comes with everything needed for installation, including pre-drilled holes and mounting brackets, making it easy to set up and expand as needed.